What's going on, guys? This is Nos Effect here. I'm going to be bringing you another unboxing today. I've actually got a Hasbro Beyblade this time. Normally I'm a Takara Tomy collector, but I heard the new QuadStrike line from Hasbro is made up of mostly exclusive parts, and being a collector, I wanted to start picking up these as well. Today, we've got Zeal Nyddhog N8. We're going to open him up, check him out, and see how he performs. Okay, and we're back with Zeal Nyddhog N8 from Hasbro's QuadStrike. We're going to look over the box real quick and we'll put them together and test them out. I noticed right in the front here, we got plastic-free packaging, which is nice. Got to save the planet. You get your stats up here. You get core and apex explanation right here, which is like Takara Tomy's high and low mode. And then you get your parts here. I'm not sure if there's an easier naming convention for these or not, but those are all your parts. We'll pop them open and put them together. Driver and armor piece. Got the disc. Layer and core wrapped up in paper. Here is the layer and core. Nyddhog core and the Zeal layer. Zeal looks kind of like Zest. I guess that's their version of Zest. But Nyddhog is a new core. Takara Tomy doesn't have that one. You get what looks like the 10 armor. There's QR code. Anybody needs QR code? Here's the weight disc. We got a 2-star. Been lucky with 2 stars lately. And then the driver. Pretty interesting. And then this is the armor tip, I think it's called. So you can add it on to your driver. I believe. Yep, there you go. And it changes the performance of your driver. And there you go. It's all put together. Take the armor tip back off. You can use them like that as well. I'm going to do a couple test spins with him and see how he performs. Unfortunately, this is my first Hasbro Beyblade, so I do not have anything to put him up against to give him a fair fight. It'd be a little one-sided if we put him against Takara Tomy. But we'll see how he spins. Alright, we're here with Zeal Nyddhog N8. We're going to do a few test spins with him, and then maybe we'll put him up against something that he has a chance against. I'm not sure what, but we'll see. We're going to launch him first without his armor tip. Three, two, one, let it rip. Oh, a little quicker than I thought he would be. Alright. Now let's slap his armor tip on. See how he spins with that. Alright, now we've got his armor tip on. Try another one. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. He definitely tornado stalls a lot longer. A little more controllable with the armor tip one. Seems like he'll have more stamina with this tip. Alright. Now let's see if we can give him a decent opponent. See what I got. Okay, I'm back with a few beys that he might have a shot against. Got these burst remakes. Gonna put them up against all three and see if you can beat any of them. For each of these battles, I'll launch the remake first, and then I'll launch Zeal. Alright, got an instant burst. Okay, so that's one. Took out Dragoon with ease. Now let's move on to Pegasus. Oh, Pegasus got a knockout. He lost to that one. And the last one I've got is Zeal. Oh, big hits from Zeal. Looks like he's going to take it. Zeal is wobbling. And Zeal just flatlines. And there you have it, folks. That was Zeal Nyddhog from Hasbro's QuadStrike line. I'll need to pick up some more QuadStrike beys for next time so this guy can have some better competition. I'm NOSEffect. Thank you so much for watching this video. And as always, don't forget to drop a like, a comment, and subscribe if you want to see more content similar to this one. And I'll catch you in the next video.